Most of the people, when they think about a record label, think about the artists, and they don't think about the inner workings of the label itself. And really, if you think about it in a logical sense, if we're having a student-run label, then those students are going to become music executives in the future.
If the artist is doing good, that means we're doing good behind the scenes. It's really all about her, and we're just kind of like a piece of the puzzle and getting her to where she needs to be.
I heard about Greene Street probably in April last year, and that was so exciting to me. I just wanted to be involved in any way possible. It's just been such a good experience just because I've released music independently and it's not easy, especially when it comes to marketing promotions.
The entire point of my role is to kind of be that liaison for her, make sure she's advocated for and that she gets what she's looking for out of this, because at the end of the day, we're a nonprofit. We're not looking to make money. We're not looking to take advantage of her. We're just looking for her to get what she wants and put her in the best position to succeed later on in her career.
This past 6 months of building up the label has definitely been the most rewarding 6 months that I've had in college, and also I've learned the most in the past 6 months.
It's been a great learning experience, and it pushes you to really actually learn how to do things, because this is going into the real world. You can't just okay, here you go, and give it to your supervisor. It's gonna go out and it's gonna be in your name, so it has to be good, and you have to really learn and do a good job.
But the record business incorporates a lot of the entertainment business, and our goal when we started the label was to incorporate as much of the university as a whole as we could.
So bringing sport and entertainment students to work with music students really was the impetus.
Getting to know so many different people that also have kind of the same interest in the music industry. I have never even thought to be involved with A&R, but getting to work with Dan, for example, on A&R kind of strategy has really helped me understand that maybe it is a kind of career path that I want to go down.
I would say my first immediate goal is a successful day at St. Pat's.
Getting to see it play out on the stage at St. Pat's, I'm very much looking forward to that, because we're just planning all of that out right now, so it'll be cool to see it unfold.
Every student is playing St. Pat's, they're getting a contract, they're getting paid. These bands that we're going to play, it's a real thing.
You're seeing your peers up there. You go to a concert and you see somebody like Kings of Leon up there, and you're just thinking, that could never be me. But coming here and seeing Katie or anybody else perform, you're literally seeing somebody your age up there facing their fears or whatever and performing. And it's cool.
Unless it's him, I guess.